What is going on? Welcome back to RC Hobbies SOS with me, Joey Jato. Joey Nitro. So last week we had the Rustler out, a Traxxas Rustler. It had the small .15. This week we have a slightly bigger engine. This is a 2.5, although this is a 3.3 in this Jato. I actually got this Jato from the same guy, Per, in Denmark. This thing has a 2.5 engine, as I said, but it's heavily modded. It's actually got a 3.3 crank in it. It's running an OS Carb, a carbon fibre pipe. It's got ceramic bearings in the engine, but it has had problems. I've never really been able to get a good run out of it, and some of the reasons are thus. The steering would not centre, which was a real pain, and there was many different issues around that, which I will go through now.
Here we go again, another slow motion montage. He even makes a joke about Joey Jato, but we all know this legend is the star of the show. Whether you're a street basher or drag racer, this little guy has what you need. From good looks to lightning speed, the Traxxas Jato has you covered. This little two-wheel drive stadium truck always brings power to the asphalt and a smile to your face.
So guys, as I said, I had problems with this. It just wouldn't centre. The steering would not centre. I believe that to be the problem, a problem with the servo. So I got a new servo and I changed it. But on doing so, I noticed that this part here was detached from, it was split and broken away. Now the servo mounts onto this top deck. So obviously this was flopping about when it was turning, and that was not helping. So what I did was I secured it and pulled it down with two washers. That pulls it flush to the rest of the deck, and that solved that problem. And the steering servo was a lot better. So I took it out and I tested it, but there was still a problem. It was still not working properly. So I went right over it and I found that this wheel here, the guy who sent this to me obviously changed these wheels, and this wheel, where the nut goes in there, it had been bored out a little bit, obviously to fit something a little bit bigger, and this whole wheel was flopping, turning in on itself, which was obviously causing a real big problem with steering. It was sort of rear steering, if you like. So I got another wheel the same and changed it, and now they are fine. So this is test day, and I'm hoping that this is going to make a lot of difference. Too big, very squirrely. A little bit lean. So I've loosened it up a little bit. Still lean. Still a bit lean. Very nice. They're a lot of fun, these Jatos, they really are. Tell you what, it's drinking petrol. Or it's drinking nitro, should I say? Petrol. Joey, what are you saying? You're only named after the stuff. So guys, that's it from me. Thank you for joining me. Still got a lot of work to do here. There's something wrong with the geometry on the steering. It keeps throwing itself out. But I'll get to the bottom of that. I'm really pleased with it actually. I think the engine performs great for a 2.5. Very fast. Jatos are a lot of fun, aren't they? Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for joining me. Please, if you like this content, you can watch one of my other videos which will appear here and here. And if you press my logo up here, you can subscribe. And why wouldn't you? Because this is an awesome channel. Please support all the other Nitro content creators, not all of them, but the good ones, the ethical ones. And guys, as always, I've been Joey Nitro, and I'll catch you on the next one.